Assalamu alaikum 3 class. Today's is the last topic of unit number 1, that is tongue. Students, sometimes we see our tongue and it looks a funny thing, but it is not funny at all. It has a lot of works. So start the reading. The tongue might look a bit funny when you stick it out, but there is nothing funny about what it does. It helps us do many things. Clear that? Now, your tongue helps you to chew food, and when you have finished doing this, it helps you to swallow the food. Students, our tongue help us to grind the food and swallow it. यानी कि हम जो खाना खाते हैं इसको चबाने में और निगलने में हमारी टंग हेल्प करती है. क्लियर? It has taste buds on its surface that let you taste the different flavors of food. Of course, it also helps you to talk so you can tell the people how tasty the food was. Students, on our tongue we have 4 types of taste buds. Now, the question is that what is a taste buds? Now, look at the definition of taste buds. Taste buds are very sensitive microscopic hairs on your tongue that tell us the right taste of food. Students, we have tiny hairs on our tongue that can be seen with the help of microscope. These hairs are called taste buds. Now you can see the diagram of taste buds on our tongue on your book. Look, students, there are 4 types of taste buds: sweet, salty, sour and bitter. On the top of our tongue, that is the tip of our tongue, we can say that we have the sweet taste buds, the pink area of our tongue. Look, these taste buds have to taste the sweet things. Now, the very next area have to taste the salty things, and the next one area helps to taste the sour things, and the last of the tongue, that is the end of the tongue, helps to taste the bitter things. Clear that? Now, when the food in our mouth touches our taste buds, a message is sent to our brain. The brain lets us know what the food tastes like. Students, when we eat something and placed inside our mouth, the thing or the eatable thing touch our taste buds. A message is sent to our brain. Now the work of brain has been started. The brain lets us know, brain realizes what is the right taste of the food. Clear that? Now the tongue is also a muscle. Now I have told you what is the muscle. I can explain you again. Muscle is an organ that contract or relax to increase the work. You have already read that heart is also a muscle. Now tongue is also a muscle. In fact, it is the strongest muscle in the body when its strength is compared to its size. Students, our tongue is very strong muscle because it works a lot. It is very strong as compared to its size. Clear that? Another interesting thing about the tongue is that each tongue has a unique print, just like fingers. Students, every person has its own print of tongue, as just like our fingers. Some people have small thin fingers, and their pattern is also different. Similarly, different people have different prints of their tongues. Now the topic is completed. Question. Look at the questions given on your book. What does an image look like when your eyes first see it? What type of organ is the tongue? Which part of your body helps you to keep your body at the right temperature? What are the 3 main jobs of nose? What are the 3 small bones in the ear called? Why is the tongue important to eating process? In eating process, answer is here. It helps people to talk. It sits next to the wisdom teeth. It pushes food to the front of the mouth. It pushes food to the back of the mouth. Why is the tongue important to eating process? Clear? And the answer is it push food to the back of the mouth. D option is right. Clear? Now students, pick up your notes. Look at question number 19. What type of organ is the tongue? Answer is here. Question number 20. Which part of your body helps to keep your body at right temperature? It belongs to the topic skin. Now, question number 21. Why is the tongue important to the eating process? Write the function of the tongue. Question number 23. Which is the strongest muscle of the human body? Question number 24 is how we recognize the taste of the food. Now turn your page. Last question of the unit is everybody's tongue have same print? Answer is here. Students, you will learn these questions because these are related to your topic. Also revise the whole question of the unit. Clear that? Thank you.